Well, I actually had a chance to use it just recently. Just kidding. It is something I'll keep in mind when I'll actually use it if a hiccup comes my way, especially those hiccups that tend to last more than a minute. Those tend to last for half a day. But it brings to memory bad suggestions of sugar cubes for some odd reason. Um, Mikola, you're an awesome individual, and this is another facet of you that I actually enjoy seeing. You at your finest, and you at your, in this particular case, sweetest. Well, anyways, I'm Nick. This is TDC Moncton, and you'll always get my thumbs up and approval. And because you decided to give us something actually useful that not many people tend to do nowadays, I think he deserves this, Mikola. This is the image of the Scottish Smurf Award for presenting, in this case, knowledge that will be extremely useful to us folk whenever we're in an awkward social position. Have a nice one.